Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make Android games run smoother. Here's a step guide to make Android games run smoother, reduce lag, improve FPS and performance. First is to restart your phone before gaming to clear temporary files and free up RAM. Close background apps running in the Recent Apps menu by tapping the trash to delete all or by swiping up. Enable game mode, game launcher if your phone has it. Turn on Do Not Disturb to stop notifications from interrupting gameplay by tapping the crescent moon icon and the control panel. Check for game updates and Google Play to get performance optimizations. Lower in game graphics settings like resolution, shadows, textures, and effects. Clear cache of the game app and settings, apps or app management, all apps or app list. Then tap the game, tap the storage, then tap the clear cache. Enable high performance mode, found in battery performance settings on many Android phones. Switch to a stable Wi Fi connection instead of mobile data to reduce lag. Keep your phone cool. Avoid playing while charging or under the sun. Heat slows performance, or use the cooler accessories for your phone. Use a game booster app, built in or third party, to allocate more resources to your game. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.